Roborock has set the standard for top-tier robot vacuums, blending powerful suction, advanced mopping, and low-maintenance convenience. Among its standout models, the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra shines with its robust performance and nearly hands-free automated docking system. However, at IFA 2024, Roborock unveiled the Qrevo Curv, raising the bar with a sleek design, upgraded features, and even more power. So, how does the innovative Qrevo Curv compare to the reliable S8 MaxV Ultra? Let's break it down to find out which one earns a spot in your home. The Qrevo Curv takes a fresh approach with its design, featuring a futuristic dome-shaped dock that's as visually striking as it is practical. Inside, it's thoughtfully organized with compartments for clean water, dirty water, and a dust bag, combining style with utility. In contrast, the S8 MaxV Ultra opts for a more traditional angular dock design. While it doesn't make a bold statement in terms of aesthetics, it excels in functionality, including a dedicated detergent compartment for mopping. Both models handle self-cleaning and drying efficiently, keeping the mopping pads ready for action. If a modern, standout look is what you're after, the Curv's innovative design might just be the perfect fit for your home. The Qrevo Curv leads the charge with an impressive 18,500 pascals of suction power, nearly doubling the 10,000 pascals offered by the S8 MaxV Ultra. This level of suction makes it a powerhouse for tackling thick carpets, stubborn pet hair, and deeply embedded dirt. Adding to its efficiency, the Curv features the Duo Divide brush, designed for tangle-free cleaning, perfect for pet-friendly households. The S8 MaxV Ultra, while less powerful on paper, still delivers reliable cleaning for hard floors and low-pile carpets. Its ability to adjust suction automatically based on floor type ensures efficient cleaning without overexertion. Plus, it excels in obstacle detection, skillfully navigating around items like cords and shoes. Unless your home features thick, high-pile carpets, the difference in suction may not significantly impact daily performance. When it comes to mopping, both robots excel but take different approaches. The S8 MaxV Ultra employs a vibrating mop plate that scrubs at an impressive 4,000 vibrations per minute. It also features a side mop specifically designed to clean closer to walls and baseboards. One standout feature is its ability to automatically dispense detergent from the dock, giving your floors an extra shine with little effort on your part. The Qrevo Curv, on the other hand, uses two spinning mop pads, one of which can swing outward to reach tight spots around furniture and baseboards. While it lacks an auto-detergent feature, its mopping performance is equally impressive. The swinging mop pads even give it an edge for tackling those hard-to-reach areas. Both robots also come with smart features like lifting their brushes to keep carpets dry during mopping, and their docking stations ensure the mops are cleaned and dried after each session. Both the S8 MaxV Ultra and Qrevo Curv come loaded with smart features, but they each have their own unique advantages. The S8 MaxV Ultra includes Roborock's Rocky Voice Assistant, allowing you to control the vacuum with voice commands or even receive pictures of obstacles it avoids. While this feature adds convenience, it occasionally struggles with recognizing certain commands, which can be a minor drawback. The Qrevo Curv skips the voice assistant but makes up for it with its advanced Rocky app. This app gives you full control over settings, from suction levels to restricted zones. One standout feature is its ability to adjust cleaning routes dynamically, based on how dirty the floor is, a level of intelligence that makes it incredibly efficient. Both models allow you to create custom cleaning schedules, set restricted zones, and tweak settings like suction and water flow. However, the Qrevo Curv's flexible mapping and chassis lifting capabilities give it an edge for homes with complex layouts or more obstacles. The Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra is priced at $1,799.99 in the US, positioning it among the higher-end robot vacuums. In comparison, the Qrevo Curv was initially available at $1,399.99 upon its US release in October 2024. But by November, the price increased to $1,599.99. Despite both being significant investments, the Qrevo Curv offers enhanced suction power and a modern design, potentially providing better value for those seeking advanced features at a slightly lower cost. Choosing between the Roborock Qrevo Curv and the S8 MaxV Ultra depends on your priorities. The Qrevo Curv stands out with its powerful suction, modern design, and ability to handle carpets and tight spaces with ease. If you're looking for top-notch performance and a futuristic aesthetic, this model is a fantastic pick. On the other hand, the S8 MaxV Ultra is perfect for homes with mixed flooring, offering convenient automated detergent dispensing and a reliable feature set. Its tried-and-true design ensures effortless cleaning, making it a great choice for those who value simplicity and convenience. Which one aligns with your needs? Share your thoughts in the comments.